let's go ahead and download Metasploitable 2. So first we'll go to Google, type in Metasploitable 2 download. Just go ahead and go to the VulnHub link, then just click the download under Metasploitable 2. Your download will shortly begin, but first let's go ahead and save it in the same folder with the rest of our ISOs or VMs. So we'll call this Metasploitable 2. And then we'll save the zip file there. Now that that finished downloading, let's go ahead and open the folder. Close the browser now. Go ahead and unzip it. So extract all. And extract. Now we have our file. Now let's go ahead and install Metasploitable 2. So what we'll want to do is go ahead and hit new. We'll name this folder or this VM Metasploitable 2. For the folder, we'll go to Other. Select the folder where all your VMs are in. So VirtualBox VMs for me, Metasploitable 2. Select folder. ISO image, we won't have anything. For the type, we'll go ahead and select Linux. Version will be, let's see, Other Linux 64-bit. Hit Next. Base memory should be fine at 2 GB of RAM. And then we can leave it as one processor, hit next, and then we'll want to use an existing virtual hard disk. Go ahead, hit that folder, hit add, find your Metasploitable 2 file. So this is going to be the unzip folder. And then you'll see the VMDK file should be about 2 GB in size. Go ahead and select that, choose, hit next. Look at the summary, everything looks good. We can finish that up. And then we can go ahead and launch this VM, make sure it boots up correctly, and give it a few minutes and it should boot up here shortly. We see it's going through all the checks, booting everything up. Once it goes through all the checks, we'll see the Metasploitable 2 login banner. That's when we'll know everything looks good, and then we can move on to the next video. There we go, Metasploitable 2. Now we see the Metasploitable login. Everything looks good here. We can go ahead and move on to the next video.